Well, I've tried to cover all the common issues that need troubleshooting, but in case that isn't enough for you, I wanted to talk about other places you can look. And the first is obviously Google. Google's great, helps for everything. And when you type in this box, I would recommend you keep a few keywords in mind. Things like VMware will help you find things that relate to VMware products, including the type of operating system you're using. And usually you're going to worry about the guest operating system, but depending on what kinds of issues you're having, maybe it's some other kind of graphical anomaly or something like that, maybe you do care about the host operating system as well. So make sure you're including these things in your search request, because that'll really help Google figure out what you need to know. Now, if you want to get more information specifically from VMware itself, if you Google search for VMware knowledge base, there is a knowledge base here with articles on all sorts of things. And this is where I found that article on USB quirks. Now, to be honest, I didn't find it by coming here first and then looking. I found it by Googling. So you're likely to find anything in here through a Google search anyway. But know that this is here. You can obviously always call VMware tech support as well. Now, when talking about using VMware for industrial applications, the VMware tech support and the knowledge base may not be quite as good because that's not their main focus. Like I say, for Rockwell anyway, this is officially supported. VMware is officially supported. But whenever I've talked to Rockwell tech support about it, they haven't seemed all that knowledgeable about it or been that helpful when talking about the virtual machine. In fact, they frequently like to blame things on the virtual machine that don't make sense to blame on the virtual machine. So keep that in mind when you're talking to Rockwell tech support. I have found that the applications engineers at my suppliers have been more knowledgeable and more helpful when using virtual machines for industrial programming and support. All right, get out there and break some eggs.